A class 1 student fell into an open drain in Govindpura under Sarnath Nagar limits, narrowly escaping a narrow tragedy. The incident occurred in front of a school in Bengaluru, where construction work is underway, allegedly as part of the GBA works. So viewers, the question is, that's why we're saying every municipality send us your pictures. Locals have accused both the water board and the GBA authorities of gross negligence. No safety measures were in place at the work site, forcing the child to walk along the side of the road to reach school. A slab covering the drain had been left open. Take a look at those pictures, causing the student to fall in. Iron rods were found at the spot where the child fell. Fortunately, the child survived and was rescued. I want to go across to Sri Lakshmi, joining us live on the story. Sri Lakshmi, give us details about this open drain, another death trap, this time in another city in India, but similar. So it's time for governments all over India to wake up to these silent death traps.
Very true. In Sarvajna Nagar, Govindpura area, there was this drainage construction work going on by Greater Bengaluru authorities, and no precautionary measures were taken while this construction work was going on. And there was this small boy of 6-year-old was going to school. Remember, this construction work was going on right in front of the school, and unfortunately, no precautionary measure was taken, and this boy who was going to his school just like every other day, he fell down into the drainage, and there were iron rods over there. Fortunately, boy was narrowly escaped the danger, and localites saved him. Now the people of the area are expressing their anger against this irresponsible way of conducting construction work by Greater Bengaluru authorities. We can also remember a few days back in Kanakpura Road in rural Bengaluru, there was similar such incident had happened wherein a 9th standard boy had fallen into a water tank which was under construction by BWSSB, and he had lost his life. Only after 3 days, only when the rotten smell was spreading over, the localites came to know that this boy was there in the water tank, and his parents were searching for him since 3 days. Complaint was registered. Still, even after 3 days, even Republic Kannada reported those incidents. The precautionary measure.
Bengaluru, as we're showing you these pictures, our only thoughts are, when is this civic negligence criminal now going to stop? Viewers, it's a top focus, a top campaign today. I repeat this because we want you to send in your pictures on our top story, Fix My Municipality. That's only being debated right here, only by Arnab. Coming up after a short break, we get you more details. Massive explosion in Islamabad kills 15. Suicide bomber detonated himself after blast.